Very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. And today I have got a very interesting guest, Mr. Mahendra Patil, National Head Robotics Sales and Tech Support from FANUC India. It's good to meet you, Patil Saab. I am taking the liberty to meet you at the trade show. I wanted to understand what sort of solutions or robotic installation or services you are providing in India right now.
Yeah, just to give a brief about myself, I am Mahendra Patil, having more than 3 decades of experience in automation. Worked in automotive industries, equipment manufacturing industries, and other general industries also. So, with reference to what you are asking about automation with robots, I think in the recent past we have seen a very positive trend in automating with robotics. Especially in automotive industry, the robotization has increased substantially, especially in the VIW sector. The automation levels have gone up to 80% and all, whereas the other shops within the automotive are also increasing automations. But recently, we have also seen a lot of automation happening in the general industries, where no traditionally people never used to automate and used to depend on the skilled manpower. So what we have done is by adding this automation is not only to reduce the manpower. In fact, what we want to say is automation is to enhance the productivity, increase the quality, and bring in a lot of flexibility to the production systems. So, and we are providing automations for varieties of applications like spot welding, MIG welding, handling, painting, foundry applications, several applications we are providing automation.
Correct me if I am wrong. According automotive, we are the early adopters to get automation. So, what sort of sectors you see the spike right now? Who want to automate? Because, like you rightly said, people need quality, fast. The
Productivity
productivity
and
and all.
flexibility.
And I see automation plays a very important role. So, what sort of industries you see are is growing, and you see the people who are adopting in the vertical.
But traditionally, whatever you said is no basically from automotive.
Yes.
After that, what we have seen is the general industries,
Okay.
where now you are seeing these people who are manufacturing durable goods, where now we are providing a lot of automation, especially for the sectors like people who are manufacturing washing machines, TVs, refrigerators. There is a lot of automation happening.
Okay.
People who are also making cookware, they are also doing a lot of automations nowadays. We are seeing FMCG industries, especially the food item manufacturing people, the end of the line automation is done through robotization. This is the recent trend. I think post pandemic, we have seen a lot of these industries are going in for automation, not to reduce the manpower. It is basically to enhance their productivity and improve their quality. And they are also finding it automated systems provide a lot of flexibility to them. So we are also seeing some development in this. We are also seeing some development is happening in the infrastructure sectors also, like railways. A lot of investments happening. I think even aerospace, a lot of investments happening, and we are seeing a lot of automation also picking up in these areas.
I've spoken to so many manufacturers and over the years, and this is skill shortage is something which they are struggling day in day out. So how do you see automation stepping up, and take the role? Because for one thing which I know is welding.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
see a lot of FANUC machines. Your robots are being used because it's a monotonous job with accuracy. So how do you see the skill, shortage? Is a how do does companies looking at the skill shortage, and how automation and robotics is helping the cause?
In fact, it's a very important subject you have taken up, skill development. I think globally, every government is putting a lot of efforts in building the skills across the global. In fact, FANUC Robotics is supporting the world skill development for the robot system engineering.
Okay.
We are doing it globally. To address the skill development, one is most of the equipments what we are building, we are also de-skilling. For example, the programming which is supposed to be done through writing a script is now taken it by an icon-based programming, and most of this programming is you can also do it offline programming. So most of the activities which were supposed to be done on the shop floor with the skilled people, it has come down. and you can have one self-skilled person taking care of several machines very easily. And robot, for example, what you talked about, the welding robots. No, teaching and welding path used to be very critical earlier, and especially for job shop. In volume production, there is no problem. So we have brought in a new product, what is called as a collaborative robot, which can work along with the people. So this robot you can manually take and now teach it. So you don't need a high skilled labor to teach a robot.
Oh,
So we have de-skilled the whole process of teaching with this collaborative robot approach.
and what sort of payloads you have for the robots?
We have the widest range of payloads in the globe. In fact, we provide payloads from 0.5 kgs to 2.3 ton payloads. Oh, and this is the largest what you can see. The smaller can handle the very small items like tool bits and all. The bigger one is able to carry a complete assembled vehicle,
Oh,
and also carrying lot of chemical I think containers also. So where it's very hazardous to handle these things. So we are using this wide range of robots, and we also have a wide range of products which cater to a particular application. For example, we have robots specially built for painting applications,
okay.
robots built for industrial washing applications, robot built for the foundry and forge applications. So that is the wide range we have.
And today we are at day two of Imtex 2024. I want to understand what sort of robots you have displayed, what sort of solution you are displaying at your booth, and B, how is the show so far for you? Because we are in day two, second half.
Yeah, yeah. I think this particular Imtex, we had planned something. So basically, we saw that the people have become more open to automate.
Yes.
So that's the reason we started showing robots with multiple applications. That's the reason we have gone with what we call this an polishing application, one robotic setup we have got, one spot welding application with multiple activities done in that with a automatic tool changer we have got. We have got one setup where we have got an setup for laser welding. We have a laser cutting process where we have put an high accuracy robot to do the laser cutting. So we have an automated welding setup. We also have put two collaborative robots. One collaborative robot is able to work along with the people and weld it,
Okay.
and another is an experience center where people can experience how they can work along with the robot. So this we have put it in considering the kind of trend what we have seen. So we have also displayed, as you rightly said, how we are de-skilling. We also displayed an virtual reality brought into our simulation product. So we have a robo guide with virtual simulation. That's also we are displayed in this particular exhibition.
And I know it's a very busy day for you because we are at a trade show. I won't take much of your time. How do you see 2024 moving in terms of the growth, in terms of automation and robotics, especially for fun?
In fact, I think we had an exceptional growth for 23-24. We would be more than doubling than what we did in the previous year, and we anticipate the similar growth in the coming year also. We see a minimum of 100% growth happening. So that's the kind of growth that was unanticipated earlier.
Thank you, Patil Saab. And do visit FANUC booth at Imtex Hall number 5. Don't forget to say hello to Mr. Mahendra Patil. He is there at the booth. And